Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 using application. And you have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. And now, Apple devices haven't this application, it's not available on iOS, so if you have Apple device, you cannot use this feature. Now, in the application, you need to scroll down just a bit, and right here we have Find My Earbuds. Click on it. And now we can play a sound for your earbuds. But if your earbuds outside of the charging case or inside the charging case, but the lid is open. Because if you close the lid, you cannot find it. As you can see, we cannot use Find My, and these earbuds now disconnect from the phone. So if you disconnect it also in the settings, you cannot use the application. Now let's play some song. Then play sound, and don't wear these earbuds when you play this sound, because it destroys your hearing. When you found, let's say, one of them, the left one, you can mute this sound for the left or right earbud by clicking these icons. So click on it, and now it played only at the right earbud. So you can also mute it for the right earbud if you want to. When you found it, click stop, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!